Hi everyone. Today our topic is word processing software.
So first, we have to know the meaning of the software. So here they're saying the software is a computer program or set of instructions that manage the hardware as well as other softwares. So what this is saying is some a group of instructions that are inputted in the computer to tell the hardware what to do. For instance, speakers. The software will tell the speaker what to say or how to say it, or the screen, the monitor, what to do. To tell the microphone what to record and what not to record, and when to record it, and how to record it. So these are some examples of softwares. They are into two major types. We have the application softwares and the operating system softwares. As you can see here, the application softwares are on top, the Instagram, Facebook, a lot, Twitter, and in Twitter is here, and the system softwares. The system software are those that are used to manage a particular system. For example, Android phones. The Android itself, when you buy the phone, you haven't downloaded any software inside, but the phone comes with a software that allow you to interact with it so that you can go and add more to it. So those are system software. We have Windows, all the Windows 8, 7, lots of Windows, the Linux, Fedora, and the Mac OS. The Mac OS is the Apple computers, their operating systems. And here you can see Android here. So those who are using Android phones like me, you can see this one of it. So the major topic is word process software. So we have learned that the software is a set of instructions that are used to command hardwares or other softwares. So what is a word processing software? So we say a word processing software is a computer program. What's a program? A program is a set of instructions. So it's a computer program that is used to process text. So a word processing software is a set of instructions that is used to organize or edit, format, or process text in simple terms. So we are going to look at some popular word processing softwares, some popular ones that everyone knows. So first we are going to have Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is there. It's used for processing text. You can type, you can edit the fonts, you can do a lot of things with it. It's user friendly and have a lot of features too. You can change the color of the text, and a lot of things can be done with this word processing software. Google Docs, an online word processing software. For this one, you can't use it without internet connection, either Wi-Fi or data, mobile data. Before you can use it, it's online one. Google Docs. This one is programmed by Google. So have LibreOffice Writer. This one is also free. This one you don't have to pay anything. You don't even need internet access. As soon as you download it, you can use it anytime you want. Apple Pages. This one it only work on Apple product. And the fifth one is WPS Office. This one is also cool. That's what I like using because it's free and it also can also do a lot of things. So this one is the Apple Pages. It's Apple Pages. That's the logo, the icon. This one is the WPS Office. And this the Microsoft Word. This their logo. And this the LibreOffice. And lastly, we have our Google Docs here, the online one. So that we can use it without internet connection. So we are coming to look at some uses of word processing software, the softwares that we mentioned lastly. We are coming to look at the uses of those softwares. The first one is for creating documents. For instance, you want to create a list of your class. Your class, you don't want to write it with a pen. You can create it with the word processing softwares. All you need is to open it and start writing this inside. You can edit the documents. When we say editing something means a text means you correct something inside, you remove some, you add, you copy some, you paste it somewhere, you organize it. That's editing. And formatting text. Formatting text literally means changing the appearance of the text. I want to make it wide, bold. Bold means to make it bigger. I want to make it in italic form, to make it slanted or like it's falling. And you can change this thing to the alignment. You can make some at the center and some left alignment and right alignment. So that's formatting, changing the appearance. So inserting elements, you can insert a photo and diagrams in your text so that it will be comprehensive for reading. Organizing means making it in organized form. You can use tables to organize it. You can use the alignment form to organize it, making some bold and making some at the center so that when you are reading it, you see that this is the heading. These are the uses of word processing software. So this is an interface of a word processing software, and what you are seeing here is the formatting bar, the formatting tools. So this one is bold, and this italic. The bold is used to make text look bigger and clearer. The italic is, you can see the eye is slanted, so all the text that you select will be slanted. And underline is used to underline the selected text. So you know something, anything you're going to do here, you have to select it to tell the computer that this is what I want to apply the command on. If you didn't select anything and you are applying something, it will not take place. It will not activate because it doesn't know what to do with your command. And after that, you have to save it. For if the thing is new, you can use both the save and save as. Save and save as. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between these two. There is slightly difference in using it. So we are going to have some practical activities. So our first practical activity will be creating a folder. And why should we create a folder? Because when you create your document, you have to identify it so that in case you are looking for it, you know where to find it. You can't just create a single folder and compile a lot of things inside. It will be very difficult when you are trying to find your documents. So you have to create a folder that you keep your documents inside. Launching the software. This one is another process because if you didn't launch the word processing software, you can't start writing your things or editing anything. You have to launch. Launch means to open the software. That's the word processing software, whether you are using WPS or Apple Pages or Microsoft Office, LibreOffice or Google Docs. You have to launch it, open it so that you can start editing something or writing something inside. The third one is after launching the software, you start typing what you want to type inside it. So after typing, you edit it, whether there is grammatical errors or you want to copy something and paste it somewhere, you want to write some text inside, you want to change something, so you can do that with editing. You're going to be doing that. And after that, you format it. You change some to red, you make some bold, and you make some in italic so that the thing will look appealing or attractive. So after all this, you have to save your document using the save or save as function. So let's jump into, you subscribe if you want to see more videos, you like it, so that we jump into the practicals. So welcome back again. We are going to create a folder right now. A folder, creating a folder is quite simple. All you need to do is just find a space that there's nothing there. Don't put it on the folders. On your desktop, you right click. When you right click, you see a menu there. You come to new. You place your mouse pointer there. On the new, you will see another menu at the either left or right. So you go to that place, to the folder, and click on it. And your folder is created, except that they label it new folder. So depending on what you do, you have to change the name to what you want. So I want to change the name to list of softwares. So I name it list of softwares. So after that, you just click enter on your keyboard and it will be saved. So the second one is we are going to launch our word processing software. Our word processing software. So let's say this is our software. You just have to double click on it. Or if you don't want to double click on it, you right click. When you right click, you click on open. Open is on top, you click on open. And here it is. It is opened. So when it's open like this, you come to new. That means you are going to create something new, not what you have created. So you click on new. They'll ask you, what do you want to create? You want to create a plain text, that's documents. You want to create PowerPoint, spreadsheet, or a PDF. So let's create some plain text. So you create plain text. They are asking you, do you want to use some template or blank space? So template is like someone has designed a piece of paper that maybe you want to use, so that you just insert your data. You don't need to edit much. So let's start afresh. You want a blank sheet so that we can edit everything on our own. So you click on blank sheet. Our worksheet is little. So here we are. Everything is created. You can start typing everything you want. So as a list of word problems. So I want to write list of word problems. So I write list of word word processing software. Word processing softwares. So then I'll just put it there. So here are the list of some popular word processing softwares. So you get it that this is the text. So first go to editing. Editing means to look at where there is mistakes, then correct those mistakes. So let's find some common mistakes. I don't think there's a mistake, so let's just ignore it. You see, this list is supposed to be LIS, but I wrote LST, so I have to edit it, I have to put I there. So I've edited it, so it now lists. So this word processing is not supposed to be in this way. You don't have anywhere like word and you just add the processing to it. So
there's supposed to be space between, it's not one word combined. So you see they underline it, so you have to put it like this. So the processing too, you see that there's no I between it. So you see they say spelling error, so you have to put I there. And the software, I think there's a problem, but they're underlining that I can't find any problem. Software, softwares. I think this is because of this S. So there's nothing like softwares. So there's nothing like softwares. So it's software. So we have edited it like that. So we want to change the appearance. That's formatting it. So formatting it, we have to, this one is a heading. So we have to put it at the center of, first you have to make it bigger. So you have to select it to tell the computer that this is what I'm going to um, apply the instruction on. So this bold, this B, or you can find it here B, or you can use the shortcut keys, that's Control B on your keyboard. So when you click on this B like this, the things will come deep black, or if it is red, deep red, so that you can see it very well. And if you want it to be at the center, because it's a heading, have to be at the center. So you come to alignment. You have this left alignment, because if how to identify it, there is three lines. So the left alignment, the left side is straight. The center alignment, the center is only the middle that's straight. And the right alignment, the right side is straight. So we want to use the center alignment because we want the thing to be at the center of our screen. So we click on center, and it will be moved to the center. And I want to underline it, so this underline U. So you can also use the keyboard. You use Control and you click U, and it will underline it. So let's use this one. It's underlined. So we want to change the color to red. So you just click on font color. You see A, and that A, there's the color underline. So just click. You see a lot of colors. Let's choose red. Our text will be red. And we want to increase the size. So we have to find, you see A, and there's a superscript, a plus on top of it. You click on it, it will increase it. You can also use the number line. These ones are the sizes 10, 20, 16, 18, and so the sizes. So you can use 14 to do it, or 6. Let's use 16. So if you want to reduce it, the A is still there, but in this case it's minus on top. So if it means reduce the size, so you click and reduce it. So let's say there's not these ones here, no 1, no 2, and go. So we want the computer to number. Maybe you have written a lot of lists that you don't have to be writing this 1, 2, 4, and all these things. You want the computer to list it for you. So what you do is you select what you want to list. You go to this place, you see 1, 2, 3, then you click on it, and it will list the thing for you. Depending on what you've selected, every line you have, it will list it for you. So let's see what else we can do. Alignment. You see that this text are standing, the text is standing straight. So you want it to be italic. You want it to be like falling. So you click on italic, and the text will change form. It will incline at an angle. So let's say we are done with the formatting. So we say organizing. Organizing is like the same thing. We want to put some headings and things to make it organized so that people can see it well and understand what you are trying to say, the information you are trying to give them. So that's basically organizing the text. And maybe you are done, you want to save it. You go to the menu at the right top corner, you click on it. So you come to save, and you see save as. You can use both of these because you are new. You are just saving it for the first time. So if the save as is the appropriate, but you can use this one too. When you click on the save as, that means you are going to tell the computer where to save it, the location, because the computer doesn't know where you want to save it. But this one is just to save the changes. But in this case, the computer realized that you are trying to save the changes, but you haven't saved the file at any location. So it automatically to send you to where you can select your location to save your folder or your documents. So let's use the save as. And here we are on our desktop. So desktop. So we are looking for our folder, the folder that we've created. So we are looking for our folder. So this the folder was list of softwares. I think this is it. So list of softwares. So you open it. You see there's nothing inside. You click on save, and it is saved in that folder. So now everything is saved. We can go and view it. So let's open our folder to see whether we can find our document inside. So you double click on the folder to open. So here is our document. You can see here is our document. So we have saved it, and this is the end of lesson. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you subscribe and like it so that to motivate me to create more videos.